This is the first opening that we have, which is for freshers. This job is for freshers, SOC analyst. This is work from home. Minimum 6 months of experience on SOC is required, and 3 years of experience of SOC required, right? So if you have minimum of 6 years, 6 months of experience, you can get this job, right? And the are things expected CTC, how much salary you're getting, joining availability, location is home, and Quintessence is the company where it's getting hired. So this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Meanwhile, guys, there's a lot of hiring in SOC, right? There's a lot, because why people are not getting job, because they don't have knowledge. So what you can do, you can check out this URL for getting 100% confirmation. Now the next opening is basically New Summit, which is cybersecurity company hiring for SOC L1 permanent role. So 6 months, again, this is for freshers. 6 months to 1.5 years of experience required, and 1 year to 3 years of experience required. 30-day immediate join. The other JD, you can see what exactly they're hiring. Again, I repeat, this is for freshers. And guys, this is the mail ID simoni.gogri@newsummit.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Only shortlisted candidate will be contacted, right? So this is a good opportunity for the freshers, right? Now the next opening is basically in Grow. Probably you're invested in this company, so are excited to getting this job. So basically, they're hiring for product security intern, cybersecurity defense intern, data security intern. It's in Bangalore, right? So if you want to join company Grow in Bangalore, which is investment company, you can drop your resume on subhas.pro.in, GROW.in, right? Now next opening, this one is again for freshers. Freshers आपकी तो आज बल्ले बल्ले है. Now next opening is basically for the assistant manager in Gandhinagar. This is for little bit experience, 3 to 4 years of experience required. And guys, the other key responsibilities, the other required skills, and this is mail ID carriers at indiainex.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is basically probably as a cybersecurity analyst and trainer. Company name is Trios Cyber, and the other couple of requirement. And this is what exactly they are looking for. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. The good part is, if you have skills, you can call this number as well. Sir, I'm not getting response on the mail, so please do something, and you'll get a response there, right? Someone is hiring for security engineer, 3 to 4 years of experience required in Bangalore. Techplix is the company name. Number openings are two. Web application, pentesting, all those skills are required, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. By the way, from day after tomorrow, there is a training of internship will be starting on web application pentesting. You can check out the top URL, vihgroup.com/tci. Next is there is a VAPT internship. Okay, so it's a walk-in. It's in Noida. They want someone who can have understanding of VAPT methodology. Those who should have knowledge of Burp Suite, Nmap, Metasploit, OWASP, top 10, have problem solving skills. HR@securiumsolutions.com is the mail on which you can drop this, right? Now next is Quasar Cybertech and Secure Real World application with impact, right? So they are looking for web application and API security assessment, source code review, and OWASP top 10 knowledge. 3 to 4 years of experience required. This is a mail ID on which you can drop a resume, and this is like immediate, right? That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. You can join the web application pen testing internship from here, SOC internship from here.